Hello everyone, Matt Yaspen here. I want to follow up on a video I shared recently about patent office filing fees for non-provisional utility patent applications with this video on the fees for excess claims and the fees for patent application length. Because in addition to the base fees of $430 for microentity status, $785 for small entity status, and $1760 for large entity status, you may also have to pay fees in your patent application filing for excess claims and for the length of the application. Now, the length of the application that they give you is fairly long. It's not common to hit it. The formula is a little complicated. You have to take the number of pages in the spec and the drawings, but not count the abstract or the claims. And first you multiply it by 3/4 and then you subtract 100. And if you're over that threshold, then you pay per page. It's a fairly long application that triggers it, so many applications don't. On the other hand, excess claims fees are pretty easy to reach and trigger because the base number of claims that you're allowed in your application filing fee is 3 independent and 20 total. Now, those 20 total include your 3 independent, so in any application you want to use, if you can write claims to it, you want to use 3 independent claims and 20 total claims or close to it. And if you go over those numbers, you pay per claim. And if you have more than 3 independent claims, you pay a fee for each independent claim. If you have more than 20 total claims, you pay a fee for each claim, whether it's independent or dependent, and those can be cumulative. So if you've got an application with 3 independent claims and 20 total claims, and you add 1 independent claim, you're going to pay both for the 1 claim as an independent and for the 1 claim as a dependent claim together. Those fees are subject to change. They shift around. Right now it's January 2020, and for micro entity filers, those fees are currently 25 and 115, 25 for each total claim, 115 for each independent claim, and they double for small and they double for micro. So if you've got an extra dependent claim above 20, it's $25 as a micro, 50 or 100 as a small or large entity. And if you've got an extra independent claim above the 3 you're allowed, but not more than 20, it's 115 or 230 or 460. And if you've got an extra independent claim above the 20 total claims, you add those two numbers together to find out how many claims you have. Now, these numbers of claims can add up really fast to a substantial amount of money. And that's why I always make sure to work with applicants to see if it makes sense to split an application. And rather than file one with a large number of claims, we can either file 2 separate applications because the base filing fees of filing, search plus examination can be less than a single application plus a large number of claims if you go above 20, and especially if you go above 3 independent claims. And sometimes it makes sense to file 2 separate applications. Sometimes it makes sense to file 1 application with a full large specification and set of drawings, but only file claims to some aspects and wait for a later time to file claims to other aspects. We could do that as a divisional application. We could do it as a continuation or a continuation in part. There are a few different strategic options for pursuing that. But I'll follow up on this with a post later about divisional applications and continuation in part patent applications. The point is, when you go to file an application, think about the claims fees you're about to pay and make sure that you speak with your patent attorney about how to strategize to perhaps optimize the amount you're going to pay in filing fees so that you don't spend too much on excess claims fees. If you've got questions, by all means, leave me a comment, shoot me an email, hello@yaspenlaw.com. You can give me a call, 617-340-9295. And if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share. Thanks very much. Take care.